Today on Burning with Billy Ray, we're gonna be throwing down some smoked queso blanco, amigo. See what I did with them? Amigo, right now. You're gonna need 1 pound white American cheese. Why you say American? Because America, that's why. Get it all over here on the side like that. Now we're gonna dump in some of Billy Ray's Pico De Gallo right there. Get that pico in there, get in there. Get the pico in there. 1 pound spicy sausage. Get in there, spicy sausage. Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. There it is, there it is. Throw in 1/2 cup, a half and half. There it is right there. All right, cast iron's loaded, time to hit the grill. All right, we got the char griller at 275. Oh, lay the cast iron right there, float it down. I'll be honest with y'all, I ain't never made this before. I ain't sure how it's gonna turn out. Been about, oh yeah. Oh, look at that, look at it, look at it. Now we're starting to act like somebody's son. Look at that, oh yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's perfect right now. Oh my goodness. I can taste that smoke. I can taste that apple. Oh, I gotta get some of that. Oh yeah, give me some of that right now. That's it right there. Oh yeah, that's on time right there, son. That's how we do it.